It's my show, I can do what I want.
You know, witches cackle. But enough about the vice president. Thank you. I'll be here all day. Try the liver. Got another thought. While I'm thinking about it, you know, I think sophomore year in college should be postponed in favor of every freshman in college should have to go back to kindergarten and repeat kindergarten because of all the fucking stupid things that the colleges teach you in your first year. You know, what stupid things like numbers are racist. Yeah, well, and colors are colors. You know, and cartoons that were drawn 40 years ago, don't watch them if you don't like them. You know, as George Carlin said, every television has two fucking knobs on it. One changes the channel and the other one turns it off. If you don't like what you're watching, pick one and turn it counterclockwise if it's the off position for you idiots in Rio Linda. I just wanted to say that because I've always wanted to use Rio Linda in a show. But the other one turns it. Now I realize, you know, that's a hard thing to do. You know, it requires a remote control and a brain cell. Most people who watch CNN and believe all the crap don't have any of those, but borrow somebody's and change the frickin' channel. This is the Jerry Show. It's my show. I can do what I want. So as soon as I'm sitting there, Ron Williams is going to say something stupid. Or Joy Behar is going to think that I give a shit what she ever says. I got two knobs, not one on my TV, not one of them says Joy Behar on it. Ever! And you too, Whoopi. You're both stupid. You're equally stupid. One of them's black and the other one's white. They're both 100% stupid. This is my show. I can do what I want. Boo.
It's my show, I can do what I want. An HDR production. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell. It'll just make my day. Catch you later. I think I got it. I think I've got it.